Singh and Deepika Padukone were recently present at the trailer launch of Bajirao Mastani. Priyanka Chopra also had a video chat at the event as she was unable to reach there. They spoke about the film and also shared their experiences of working together.
I would say one of the finest filmmakers that Hindi cinema has ever seen. I mean it, sir, from the bottom of my heart. For someone who's so creatively brilliant to entrust me with his most special character is a huge honor for me. And I gave it everything, and he gave it everything. His passion for what he's doing inspires me. There's no doubt in the fact that he brings out the best in me. And sir, we drive each other up the wall, but I love you, yeah.
There was a lot of care and caution that was taken when we were shooting, especially the war sequences, the fight sequences. Because earlier in the year, we had an accident where he had fallen off and broken his shoulder. For me, the horse riding sequences fortunately came much later. So I think that by the time we had to shoot together, the trial and error we had worked that out. And we were a lot more careful of how not to probably go through that experience again. So we had all the safety precautions, everything was taken care of. And I think the positive side to that is that as an actor, that's probably one of the best things as an actor, that you get to learn so many different things. We've learned Kalari Paitu, we've learned sword fighting, we've learned horse riding. I've had to learn Kathak for this film. So as an actor, you get to learn so many new things which are specific to your character, which I probably would not have done otherwise. But yes, that particular sequence was, I mean, it's you shoot it like any other scene, but yes, we've taken care of everything in terms of safety.
No, it's a wonderful state to be in. इसलिए film बनाते हैं हम लोग. To experience this one moment of seeing it on the screen. And वो आपने जैसे कहा ना, economics matter करे नहीं करे, फिल्म पैसों से तो बनती है, लेकिन पैसों से ज़्यादा मुझे लगता है पैशन से बनती है, लोगों से बनती है. बहुत से टैलेंटेड लोगों ने इस फिल्म पे काम किया, उनसे बनती है. सो मुझे लगता है कि वो रिलीव्ड है, सैडनेस है, एम्प्टीनेस है कि अभी हो गया काम, अभी जॉबलेस हूँ. तो ये 12 साल जो पकड़ के रखा, 12 साल सोचते रहा, लोगों ने कहा होगा ही नहीं, इम्पॉसिबल है, ये बनेगी नहीं है, ये हर साल ये शुरू करता है, हर साल ये बंद कर देता है. कई लोग आए, कई लोग गए, पर तकदीर में लिखा होता है जिसके, तो ये हमारे बाजीराव की तकदीर में लिखा था, ये हमारे मस्तानी की तकदीर में लिखा था, ये हमारे काशी की तकदीर में लिखा था. ये जो हमारे बाजीराव मस्तानी और जो उनके सोल्स है और काशी बाई के, वो उनकी मर्जी थी कि ये लोग ही काम करें, तो उसके अगेंस्ट हो ही नहीं सकता. तो उनकी ब्लेसिंग्स है, तो जो बन गई, जो वक्त आया तो बन गई.
इंटरनेट काफी चीजों को आई थिंक आसान कर देता है. आई एम हैप्पी टू बी हियर. यहाँ पे भी बहुत एक्साइटमेंट है बाजीराव के लिए. माय एंटायर कास्ट एंड क्रू इज गोइंग टू हैव अ स्पेशल स्क्रीनिंग. आई थिंक उनको तो कपड़े वपड़े चाहिए, नथनी पहन के घूमना है. दे आर वेरी एक्साइटेड, द Quantico team. And even the response I'm getting in America for Bajirao Mastani is very, very people are very excited. We were trending in the US all day right now before the trailer even came out. So I'm just, this is a part of history, but it is Sanjay sir's fictional version of the story of Bajirao and Mastani. So I think it'll be really wonderful to see how people respond to it.
जब मुझे नरेशन मिली, मुझे इमीडिएटली पता था कि ये मेरे ज़िंदगी का thus far and perhaps for a long time सबसे चैलेंजिंग रोल होगा. तो मैंने उसी तरह अप्रोच किया, काफ़ी सारा प्रेप किया, ऑलमोस्ट 1.5 साल के लिए इस फिल्म पर काम किया, 1 साल के ऊपर शूटिंग की. इट वॉज वेरी वेरी डिमांडिंग इमोशनली, फिजिकली, मेंटली, बट इक्वली फुलफिलिंग एंड एनरिचिंग. द अमाउंट ऑफ ग्रोन क्रिएटिवली एज एन आर्टिस्ट, आई वुड गिव ऑल द क्रेडिट टू संजय सर. He makes me a better actor and a stronger and a wiser person. So performing the character of Bajirao was the single greatest challenge of my life so far, and I hope I rose up to the challenge. वो तो दिसंबर में पता चलेगा आपको.